What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here in one of my local trails. Everybody says it's an 8 out of 10, but I don't really believe them. Let's see what we have in store for today. We got the new Rigid Evolve series lighting up the road, and we're gonna have a fun time on this trail. Let's see what they say and see if it's actually an 8 out of 10. Let's see what we got. Perfect. You're crawling. You're crawling. Yeah, you'll clear it. You'll clear it. About to drop. Slow. Yep, you're good. Perfect. You didn't hit him. You're good. You're good. Nice and slow. Perfect. Yeah. Boom. All right, now go a little driver. Little driver. Straighten out. Perfect. Keep it straight. Straight. Yeah. Perfect. You're good. All right, which way you gonna try here? It's a good line right there. It's a good line right there, yeah. Straight. Good line, good line. Yep. You're gonna crawl. Perfect. You're up on it. Keep it coming slow. Slow. What? You're good. You're good. It's bright. Oh, it's just bright. You're good going straight, and then go a little driver. Perfect. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep it coming straight. Yep, you're good. Yep, you're about to pop over that. Phew. He's beeping at you. Perfect. You're up on it. Keep it coming slow. Slow. God damn it. You're good. You're good. It's just bright.
What? Right?
No, it's just bright. You're good going straight, and then go a little driver. Perfect. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming straight. Yep, you're good. Yep, you're about to pop over that. Phew! Oh yeah.
Perfect, this road's too bumpy. Let me get down there. Hit it, boy.
All right, coming.
Hit it, boy.
All right, coming.
Perfect. All right, guys, we made it this far, and now we're just in the big Boulder field. I've never been this far on this trail, but it seems it's very simple. Just a lot of big boulders. Can you get my flashlight out of the truck? Oh, you got yours. Never mind. You're good. All right. Once you get around here, this is where I'm interested. I'm interested on the turn. I'm interested on the turn here.
Oh, yeah. Keep an eye out for rattler. They'll be in the middle of this shit.
I can't afford a rattler.
Not right now.
No.
Not on this trail.
No. Not bad. Not bad. Just a bunch of little big boulders that are going to be bumpy. Okay.
I think this is the worst part of the trail.
This part? Maybe. It looks really bumpy.
Fuck, dude.
It looks really bumpy. What's up here? Let's check it out. This is where it probably gets fun. Some fun stuff. I'm not going to use any lockers, okay? No,
I don't have any.
No lockers.
Someone else is walking this shit.
Really?
Yeah, I see some footprints.
Some footprints. Oh, we got some big ones.
Oh boy.
You're on 33s. You'll be fine. Yeah. Hug that side. I'll spot you, make sure you're not hitting that shit. They're gonna move a little bit for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, well fuck, dude. I don't want to walk this, but fuck. Oh shit. Oh, oh.
They move.
Yeah, they do. What is this?
Oh fuck.
Okay, wait. It looks like it flattens out. It should be fine. Should be fine. Rattler? Oh. That'll be good. Oh shit! Look at those massive guys. Okay.
Oh shit.
This is a little sketchy on this side.
Yeah, man, it's loose as shit right here. Look at this. That big boulder in the turn.
Gotta keep it high. Should have took my sway bar off.
Yeah.
It looks fun.
For a guy in 35s.
Fuck. Well,
fuck, I don't know.
All right, guys. So on that one, we decided to turn around. You know, it is dark outside, and Dirt Remedy Off-Road, he's only on 33s, and he doesn't really do a lot of rock crawling, so I understand. And we just turned around. I'll hit that one day in this video, hopefully soon, when it's not dark outside. Because even when it's dark outside, everything's a little sketchy looking. But that looks like a fun trail down the street from my house. So I'm excited to come back and hit that one. So that'll be fun. Yeah, we got trash and beer cans out here. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going on this trail. But yeah, we're gonna keep going on this trail and see what other type of fun stuff we can get into. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. And I want Dirt Remedy to poop his pants a little bit. You know what I mean? All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's about it for this week's video. It's about 10:30 at night right now, and we're tired. I worked all day. It's Friday, and that's what we got for today's YouTube video is off-roading in the dark. You can't see shit, but it was a fun time it was a fun time with Dirt Remedy Off-Road. He has another YouTube channel, check him out. And yeah, it was a fun time hitting this trail. Definitely want to come back in the daytime when I can actually see what's going on. Found a lot of really cool hidden off-road trails, and I'm excited to hit those in the daytime to kind of show you guys what they actually look like. Because at nighttime you can't really see, you can't really film nothing. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun time. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to tune in for next week. It's gonna be another fun off-road video, and then Bronco stuff. I got suspension for the Bronco. We're looking for wheels and tires right now, and that's a little Bronco update. But peace out. Love you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe. It means so much to me. Really makes me happy. Appreciate it. Love you.